Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to another session of our online training. And today we have a new lesson in your Interchange Book 2, page 61, about conditional sentences with if clauses. So what are conditional sentences and what are if clauses? Let's take a look. So what is a conditional sentence? A conditional sentence or conditional sentences are statements discussing known factors or hypothetical situations and their consequences. So these are conditional sentences. So complete conditional sentences contain a conditional clause and a consequence. So a conditional clause is often referred to as the if clause, and the result is known as the consequence. So we have here a structure of what a conditional sentence is. So we have here the if clause, which is the condition, plus the main clause, which is the result. So let's take a look into the sentence we have here. If it rains, we will cancel the trip. Take note that if clause is if it rains, and the main clause here is we will cancel the trip. The condition is if it rains, and the result, if it's going to rain, is they will cancel the trip, which is the result. So do not forget about the structure of a conditional sentence, wherein we need an if clause and we need a main clause. So there are two basic patterns we follow on writing or in doing a conditional sentence. We have phrase if clause plus the main clause. So take a look into the example. If it is sunny tomorrow, I will go to the beach. Okay? If it is sunny tomorrow, I will go to the beach. Take note, we use comma here to separate the if clause from the main clause. But the second one, main clause and if clause. So it's the other way around. This time the main clause came before the if clause. So I will go to the beach if it is sunny tomorrow. Take note that we did not use any comma to separate the main clause from that of the if clause. So take note of these two basic patterns. If clause plus the main clause. If the if clause comes first, we add a comma after the if clause before the main clause. But if we use main clause before the if clause, there is no need for us to use any comma. So remember, if introduces a condition, the if introduces a condition. The main clause is the result of that condition. Again, if you're going back to the first pattern that we made a while ago, if is a condition and the main clause is the result. And what happens in the main clause is conditional to what happens to the if clause. Now, let us go back to the other example a while ago, to the two basic patterns. Okay, let's take a look here. If it is sunny tomorrow, I will go to the beach. Now, this one is in its simple present tense, and this one is in the future. Now, can we do it like if it will be sunny tomorrow, I will go to the beach? Can we do it like that? Or if it will sunny tomorrow, I go to the beach? No, we cannot do that. Okay? So take note of these two basic patterns whenever we make use of conditional sentences with if clauses. Always remember that if clauses introduces a condition and the main clause introduces or gives the consequence based on the if clause. So that is conditional sentences with if clause. It may be quite confusing, but with constant practice, I know you can make it until you become fluent. Thank you very much, and see you in another session next week.